And then next thing we know, it's a 30-minute drive minimum, and you have to go through the tolls.
Yeah, they're gonna charge me money to go through the tolls.
But we didn't know that until after we got the food, and surprisingly, it was Dunkin' Donuts.
Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video on my channel. My name is Reyes, and I am the Oh wait. Oh, I'm Dylan. Sorry.
Yeah.
No, you're Reyes.
I was thinking, what's going on here, bro?
How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. Really appreciate you coming by. Super special guest today, Reyes the entrepreneur. You've probably seen him on YouTube. He makes awesome videos. So yeah, why don't you say what's up to my audience?
Hey, first of all, thank you for letting me be in your channel. Secondly, I make entrepreneur videos, vending, t-shirts, eBay, and I'm getting into the whole rideshare and food delivery, and that's how we connected.
Yeah, that's how we connected.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to check out some of his videos, definitely go down below. But today's video, so we've been collabing recently, and we did a video on his channel where we went out and did PostMates, and then today we did a video together where we went out and did Uber Eats. So we actually just finished the Uber Eats, and when was the PostMates one? Like a week ago?
Yeah, about a week ago.
So for each day, we went out for like 3 hours each. So in today's video, we're comparing the two, talking about a little bit about the earnings, which one made more money, and also just, you know, talking about the whole experience.
I mean, we went out pretty much from 11 to 1:30, 2 during the same time.
Yeah.
And I like Uber Eats more.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made more money on Uber Eats than on PostMates. PostMates barely covered the gas.
PostMates barely covered the gas.
Yeah.
Well, don't spoil it. I'm about to pull up the earnings, so we'll spill the tea. But yeah, definitely Uber Eats, more money per order. Yeah.
More tips.
More tips too.
And I feel it's because it's just a different clientele.
Yeah.
Uber Eats, you know, a little bit fancier people who have more money. Because we went to some nice places.
We did.
PostMates, you have to take a bat with you when you deliver your food. You know, I'm messing around. But still, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I feel like it's two different clienteles.
That's interesting. Yeah, I don't know why, but Uber Eats people tip way more. Literally 90% of my deliveries that I've done. I actually think 100% of my deliveries with Uber Eats, I've gotten tipped.
Yeah.
And PostMates is like 1 out of 5.
Yeah.
So
we only got 2 tips last time out of 5 orders. So, you know.
Yeah.
But one thing I do like about PostMates, easy to sign up. They don't care what car you drive. They don't care about this and that.
That's true.
Like right now with Uber Eats, you needed to take a picture of you wearing a mask and then fill out some requirements.
Yeah.
PostMates don't care.
That's true.
They're like, you could take a scooter, just deliver this food.
But Uber,
tell me,
to argue with you, argue that point, Uber Eats, the food's always ready.
Yes.
That's what I personally like the most about Uber Eats. With PostMates, a lot of times I went there and I had to tell them the order, pay with the PostMates card, and wait like 15 minutes for the food. Uber Eats, every single time it's always been ready.
Yeah, every time we deliver, well, when you went to go get food, you came right outside with it.
Yeah, it was already waiting there.
I like that.
Every time already waiting. Okay, so now what you guys came here for, we're gonna pull up the earnings for each day. And like Reyes said, this is mostly the lunch rush hour, which is from 11 to 2 p.m. Let's start out with PostMates. This was the first day we did a week ago. By the way, 150 bucks for a referral bonus. If you guys want to sign up for PostMates, by the way, check out the links down below. So the first one, 10:43 a.m. It was a $3.80. But if you go down here, they tipped over $8.
They liked you, bro.
So it ended up being a $12 order. I remember this one, we went and picked it up, and the food actually was ready for this one. So I do have to give him credit for that. Second order, $5.29, so a little bit order, but no tip. That was from that taco shop. And
you had to call to order it. I remember because I started, it's in my video where you had to call, can I have some huevos rancheros?
Oh,
and
yeah,
you want it wet or dry?
Yeah.
You're like, give it to me raw. Yeah, so you had to call for that one.
Yeah, this place I legit had to call because I figured out on the first day how to know if it was going to be ready or not.
Yeah.
If not, I would. It took them over 10 minutes to make it. So I got smart with doing the deliveries. Third one from Blaze Pizza, $5.20, a little bit more, and then they ended up leaving a $2.38 tip. I'm pretty sure with these like when they have weird tips, like $2.38.
Like they round up.
Yeah, I think they round up to like 20 bucks or 30 bucks, whatever. Blaze Pizza, that one was actually sitting on the table. I think you came in.
Yeah, I came in. It was ready. You looked at it and then just got it and went.
And then the last delivery, Starbucks, $5. Oh, is this when we went to the drive-thru?
Yeah, we went, and you had to call a guy.
Yeah,
we wanted hotter rice. Remember you called him?
Yeah.
Be like, hey man, just want to make sure.
He's like, I'm not a weirdo. Yeah, because it was like, what was it? 12:54 p.m. It was like 80 degrees out, and he orders a hot latte.
Yeah,
so I wanted to double check.
But good thing you asked, because when we went to the drive-thru, they asked, do you want it hot or cold?
Yeah, for sure. For a grand total that day,
$29.99.
That's how much we made the whole day?
Yeah, I did the math.
We made $29.99. Not great. And we started at 10:43 and ended at 12:54. So it was a little over 2 hours.
Yeah. So a little bit over 2 hours. You know, not that bad.
Almost 15 an hour.
Not that bad, but
Now let's go to Uber Eats. Do you have anything else to say about the Postmates day?
Nope. Said everything I had to say.
Everything?
Everything.
All right, now let's open up my Uber driver app. Boom, bada bing. $46.24. The first order this morning, a $3 order. We only got $3 for it, but they left a $4 tip. So already they're leaving big tips. So we got $7 for that one. And then the second order, what was this one from?
Starbucks, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, it was Starbucks. Another $3 order, but they tipped $7.69.
Hey, the $3 orders came in.
So the $3 orders. And shout out to my audience, because in my previous Uber Eats video, I declined literally 10 orders in a row, because I was trying to get a bigger one, and people were telling me, dude, accept those. So now, thank you guys. They leave big tips. Look at this, 4 tips in a row this morning. You see the trend, dude. Literally, all my tips, or all of my orders, I got tipped.
Yep.
Okay, so the last week I did it. Here, I got 2 tips here as well.
Oh, that's nice.
And then another tip.
Yeah.
And this one, they canceled it. And then this one also, they canceled it too.
Oh my God.
So the $8 one, that was the one where I was on the way and they canceled it. So I got tipped every 100% last week. On every single ride that I, completed. Then the third and fourth one, $5, $6, $5, and then the $12 one. You want to tell them what happened on the $12 one?
Yeah, bro, we got trigger happy. So we're getting nothing but small orders, $3, $4, and then we see a $12 order, and it gives you, like you said, 5 seconds to accept it or not. So and then we're shooting content, so we're like, oh, this is gonna make good content,
Yeah.
And then with a bang, well, we accepted it, and then next thing we know, it's a 30-minute drive minimum, and you have to go through the tolls.
Yeah, they're gonna charge me money to go through the tolls.
But we didn't know that until after we got the food, and surprisingly, it was Dunkin' Donuts.
They don't give you the address of where you're going until after you get the food.
Yeah.
So I ended up canceling it, and they still paid me the $12, which I don't want that money. Oh, look, another tip just came in right now.
Oh, it was a $5 one.
Oh my gosh. Guys, literally every single, they tip $4.98.
Ooh, that's nice.
Okay, I'm convinced.
Yeah.
Uber Eats is way better.
Oh yeah, definitely, bro, definitely.
Holy crap. $51.
Yeah.
In 2 hours. $25 an hour. Look at this. This is insane. $29 in net fares.
That's how much we made on Postmates.
Plus $21 in tips.
Yeah, the tips, man, really make the difference.
Uber Eats tips.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm convinced. Guys, by the way, make sure to like this video and subscribe, because I'm gonna be doing a full vlog of doing 8 hours of Uber Eats.
Yes.
Because I might try out Postmates too with 8 hours, but I want to do a full 8 hours and see how much I can make. So what are your final thoughts?
Uber Eats.
Uber Eats all the way, huh?
All the way.
Yeah.
But I don't know how hard it is to sign up for Uber Eats. Is it difficult?
It's through your Uber driver app. So I was already an Uber driver, so I just had to add on Uber Eats.
So one thing I know, when I had to sign up like a year ago or so, when I was gonna try it, I had to take my car for inspection. Did you have to do that?
Well, I had already done that with Uber. That's why.
So yeah, take my car for inspection, and then do a background check.
Yeah.
Get a blood sample.
Because I've been I've been an Uber driver for like 2 years, so I literally just had to type on deliveries.
But I know for a fact Postmates,
it's quick, huh?
Really quick, because you don't gotta. They don't care. But of course, you don't make as much money as Uber Eats.
That's a good point. So if you don't mind waiting the extra, you know, doing the extra work to get started with Uber, or if you're already an Uber driver, then definitely do Uber Eats.
Here's the thing. For Uber, I don't know if it's still true to this day, but they're a little bit strict. Like, for example, I had a crack on my window. Yeah. And they said because of that, I couldn't deliver food for Uber Eats. No, for Uber Eats and Lyft until I got that fixed.
Yeah.
But hey, you know, if you have a good car, and go for Uber Eats. If you have a cheapy car, 3 wheels, do Postmates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah. I mean, yeah. It's whatever.
Yeah. Well, but here's the thing. Use whatever you got to make money. The point is, we're not trying to convince you one way or the other. Yeah. We're showing you the experiences.
Showing you our experience.
Yeah. So you can make a decision and use what you got to make money. Because you don't have, there's no excuse not to make a few extra bucks today. But if you want to do it, you know.
Bro, your energy is just so contagious.
Look, it's all that caffeine right here, bro.
Guys, if you literally want to be inspired to make money and find new, different ways to make money, check out his YouTube channel. I'm going to leave it linked down below, but you do ride-along videos. That's how we met. He did a ride-along with me doing Postmates. Yeah. He does it for like tons of different ways to make money.
I've done...
and maybe just... maybe you won't do all of them. Maybe you'll try one of them, or maybe it'll give you an idea to do one. But yeah, go ahead. Which ones have you done?
I've done car detailing. I've done this and that. I don't even know. Charging scooters at night. So many different ways. But here's the thing. Just like this, I'm not trying to convince you to try one thing. I'm getting stories from entrepreneurs. So you know what they had to sacrifice. But also how they overcame their difficulties and made it into the full-time income. Because all the ride-along people I do, they're doing it full time. But trust me, it didn't happen overnight. Yeah. And it wasn't easy, but it made it happen.
Yeah. It takes time.
Yeah. This guy, he was, oh no, I'm not going to say that because I want to get it demonetized. And it was just a joke. Yeah. But yeah, if you guys want some, I call it free 99 knowledge, because I don't sell you a course. I'm not selling an ebook, no seminars, nothing. Free 99 knowledge to help you, inspire you to follow your dreams.
Awesome. Well, thank you for I really do appreciate you coming by and sharing your knowledge too, and having this experience. But yeah, guys, those are the difference. Let me know down below if you choose either to do Uber Eats or Postmates, or neither. But thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to leave the video a big thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe for more videos, and check out Reyes' channel down below. Anything else?
Thank you for having me on your channel, and you guys have a great day.
Have a great day, guys. Bye.